All right, guys, so I wanted to give a little bit of direction and guidance for this activity. So what you would do is you would read the directions first. Obviously, on slide 3 and 4, it tells us that there are scientific notation cards. So slide 3 is scientific notation, and slide 4 is the standard notation form. Okay, and then it tells us to cut and paste the cards onto slide 2 in order to make matches. So what I would do is I would come right here. I would double click, I'd click cut. Okay, I'd come to the second one and I'd put paste. Okay, and I am going to put, since that is a scientific notation one, I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to try to find the one that matches it. Okay, and so since it says 9 times 10 to the first power, excuse me, it would look something like this, right? I have my 9, my decimal's right here, and I move it one time and add a 0. So I'm going to look for 90 on this next slide 4. So looking for 90, and here it is. Okay, so I double click on it, click cut, and paste it right in here. Okay. Now, here's the trick right here is once you find 90, okay, that card will match up with the corresponding letter. Okay, so it looks like card 1 is H, I believe that's it, and you would type in that letter. Okay, um, you would do the same thing here. Start really wherever you want to. If you want to start way over here, that's fine. Okay, if I'm looking at this one, it says to the negative first power. I would simply be looking and saying, okay, well, it goes in a negative direction. So my decimal goes right here just one time. So if I were to do that, I'd be looking for 0.91. So I'd cut, put it into the scientific notation slot. You can just stack it right on top of it. Okay, and now on this one, I'm looking for 0.91. Okay, so I'd cut and I'd paste right into this slot right here. Okay, and for that one it says 12 and I. So we'd go to 12 and put an I. Okay, now you guys are going to continue doing this. If for whatever reason you have any leftovers, okay, you would just cut and paste it right into where it says stack of used cards, any leftover cards right there. Okay. So pretty self-explanatory. Match them up, find the letter, find the phrase, and go from there. You will click submit and turn in once you are finished. All right, y'all continue working.